How's it going, guys? It's Deadpool 3.7 here, and what I wanted to do a video on today was mods that you can get for the V6 Mustang. Really, was the cheapest mods that you can get for the V6 Mustang to give you some horsepower. I would say the best mods to get, first off, start out with a cold air intake. Actually, you don't have to start out with a cold air intake, but I started out with a cold air intake. Cold air intake, you can get you some headers. If you don't want to buy headers, go ahead and get the MPT 93 PRX tune. I mean, MPT is pretty much well known to tune Mustangs around here. I haven't had any issues with them. I don't think any guys in my S550 V6 Mustang group has had any issues. I will get that tune, the 93 PRX tune. I think you get 3 tunes. I know I should have went with the E85 tune too, but where I stay, we don't have that nowhere around. So it's like, I think the nearest E85 pump is 35 miles away from me. So no, this is pointless. But yeah, MPT, you know, they'll tune you pro charged. They're very good tuners. I would get those. If you want to go performance, get long tube headers. If you want to go with sound, you know, just minimal performance, if not even any performance gains at all, get the shorty headers. I got shorty headers because I'm not building my car for performance. Right now, I'm not. That's pretty much it. I mean, get you a good exhaust system, help the car breathe a little bit better. Ported intake manifolds, you know, you can get that. We got you know, a lot of good guys out here that port, you know, intake manifolds. You know, you can get that done. I think that's just about pretty much it. Like I said, it was just going to be a quick video on what to get, and 93 PRX tune, you know, MPT. Get MPT performance. That's the best tuners out here. Don't go Bama. Bama is bullshit, okay? Literally, Bama is bullshit. So get you some good tuners. You know, a lot of you guys talk about, well, Bama gives me canned tunes and free tunes for life. Okay, well, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. Okay, that's the only thing I can tell you is you get what you pay for. You can sit there and, you know, buy cheap shit for your car. Go ahead and do it. You know, you're gonna get gapped by somebody who maybe spent the extra 100 or extra 150. You know, or, you know, get you some good tuners. I haven't looked into other tuners, you know, but I've always heard about MPT, and I know I'm tuned by MPT, and I've never been happier. I got 96,000 miles on it, and my car has been tuned ever since I had 20,000 miles on it. So it's been tuned a long time. No issues out of it. Only issue that I did have was something that was already wrong with the car when I pretty much bought it, which was the solenoid messing up in my transmission or something like that. You know, that wasn't tune related. And the car's still been tuned, no more issues, you know. Only thing I can tell you guys is, you know, you go out and you buy these Bama tunes and stuff. I mean, it's a canned tune. I mean, MPT is a canned tune. But if you can, get your car on a dyno and get a dyno tuned, you know. You know, get some data logs done. But again, you know, MPT versus Bama, MPT all the time, you know, all the way. Go MPT. Like I said, that's pretty much it. That's all I had to talk about today. It wasn't anything that was just gonna, you know, take up a long time. But yeah, so get your MPT tune. Get a good cold air intake. I rock a Roush cold air intake right now. You can get you a ported intake manifold, get you one. I don't know if the throttle body spacers do anything, but hey, it helps the car breathe, get that. You know, headers, get that. And get you in a good exhaust setup. So that's pretty much all I had today. Was just mods that could help your car, you know, especially for the 3.7s. You know, the MPT is a beast when it comes to 3.7s. But that's all I had today. If you guys like my content, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, Thanks.